guys, welcome back to your favorite show Edugo Abroad on Air. I am Creamy and I am back with some more positive vibes from Europe in episode 006. While everyone is worried about the current situation, we are trying to reach our students who are right now studying in different countries of Europe. So today we have Miss Anjali Pandya who is currently studying in Warsaw, Poland. Let's listen how safe is Poland and how is she managing everything.
Hey guys, this is Anjali Pandya from Warsaw, Poland. So I heard that so many people are worried about COVID-19. So I just want to say that it's quite safe here. Like we are in lockdown from last 1 month, and if I compare the situation in Poland with the another European countries, then like I feel that it is quite better because they have controlled it and like very nicely. And see, if I talk about my classes and university stuff, then we are having online classes nowadays.
That's nice.
And even in online classes, like we are providing with every information and every detailed studies. And yeah, maybe after some days we'll be having regular classes. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anjali, for the information. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed our today's episode, and I'll be back with some more stuff about Europe in our next episode. Till then, stay home and stay safe. This is Creamy signing off.